Hello viewers, in this video we are going to see how can you verify your YouTube channel with video in 2023. Head towards YouTube Studio. Later click on settings in the left side. Later you will see channel. Click on it. After that click on feature eligibility. By default first step is completed. We have to complete second and third options. So to complete the second, we have to verify with your mobile number. Give you a number and click on get code. You will get a code. Just enter that code and submit. Then your phone number will be verified. So second step has been completed. Start step, we have to click on access features and click on use video verification and click on next. You can get that link through scanning, or you can get that QR code in email. So let me click on get email. You will get a email. Like this. Now click on start verification. Take your mobile and scan this QR code. It will be redirected to myaccounts.google.com after signing. A couple of things you have to remember. So before that, don't forget to check this box and click on agree. So your face should be in front of your camera and eyes should not cover with shades or fabrics or any hat. Recording will be in perfect lighting. Now click on next. Give permission to open your front cam. Don't put your mobile too close. Make a distance and you have to follow that blue color ball with your eyes. And you are done. Now it asks you to turn your head to left and look directly at your mobile. Your video will be uploaded in couple of minutes. For verification, it will take up to 24 hours. After verification, you will see eligible option. Currently, it is showing pending. After verification, you will see a message like this. You have already completed verification. Like this, you can do video verification for your channel.